Alright, that's a loop I made of Iraq Rock Lobster from the Family Guy. Cool tune, and we can use a looper to play both parts. I'll teach you that part first though. Starts off with 5 on the low string. Oh, I'm tuned to open G. G, D, G. So this is a C. 5, open on the middle, 1 on the middle, 5 on the low, 1 on the high, open on the high, 1 on the high, open on the high. That's kind of the last note. And if you want to be really clever, try to get the 1 in before you go back to the 5. If you can't do it, you can go. But if you can, see how that picks up? And 1, like that. So you do that lick 4 times, and then you come into the second part of the song, at least in our version. Then we have 0 on the high string, 4 in the middle, 0 on the high, 4 in the middle, open on the middle twice, 4, middle, open middle, and then 4, and then the high. I'll test my looper here. Okay, I think we can work with that. Now what we're going to do is learn some chords. You can do them just with 1 finger if you want. You need G, and C, and G sharp. I'm going to go a little fancier than that. I'm going to use G7. That's the first chord that appears. The next chord that appears is C minor, 5, 5, 8. Goes back to the G7, back to the C minor. It's during the melodic part. I'll show it to you in a minute. I'll show you with the looper so you know exactly where it goes. And then the other chord that's in here is C minor 7th, which is 5, 8, 8. That can be looked at as a different chord too, depending if you're looking around at different tabs or whatever, but that's what we're calling it today here. And then we're going to go to the most difficult chord, which would be G sharp 7. So if you can't do that, and half the time I miss it myself, I just let my first finger sort of come up, mute it, and then back to G7. So that second part is like this. So now I'm going to play along with the loop and show you where the chords go. That's the theory anyway. That easy. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.